The Orbital ring fixture is made from 303 grade stainless steel. It comes with 4 collets made from solid brass. Each of the collets expands 2 sizes, 4 to 6 mm, 6 to 8 mm, 8 to 10 mm and 10 to 12 mm. Each collet is divided into 3 sections, allowing easy mounting of rings that are not perfectly round. It expands evenly to hold rings firmly. The brass is very effective in minimising vibration, and the 3 parts are held together by slender O-rings. We also sell a complete set of replacement O-rings. The fixture itself can be mounted in a bench vise, or preferably used in a setter's end vise.